In 1987, a charming Italian playboy walked into Britain's most secure vault and walked out with £60 million. Valerio Vice was already living like a movie star. Fast cars, expensive suits, beautiful women, all funded by previous heists across Europe. But he wanted the ultimate score. The Knightsbridge Safety Deposit Center was London's Fort Knox. Steel walls, multiple locks, armed guards. Vicky spent months watching, learning the routines, studying every detail. He posed as a wealthy businessman and rented his own safety deposit box. Just another rich customer. On July 2nd, he walked in wearing a designer suit, but this time he had a gun. He held the staff hostage and forced them to open the vault. For hours, he methodically emptied box after box. Cash, jewelry, gold bars. When police finally tracked him down, he led them on a wild chase through London streets. He escaped to Italy, living like a king on his stolen fortune. But even the most charming criminals can't run forever.